So I'm here at Samsung's display stand at Mobile World Congress 2025, and we're going to see some wild and funky new screen concepts. Let's check them out. Mobile World Congress always has a variety of really great looking concept devices, and Samsung has got some awesome ones this year, and it starts with the Asymmetric Flip. Now, on the surface, this looks much like the Galaxy Z Flip 6. But instead of folding in half in the middle, it actually splits in two places, a little bit from the top and a little bit more from the bottom. Now, this is absolutely just a concept. I'm not entirely sure what the benefit is of having these two hinges versus just the one, but it's certainly neat to see some different ideas in foldable phones. And of course, either side of the phone, we've got two other concepts that we've seen earlier this year that employ two different folding mechanisms. We've got the Flex S that folds together like a book, and then the Flex G that just sort of folds in on itself. The idea being that you get a much bigger screen that folds down even smaller. Again, these are all concepts, but I would love to see these actually go on sale. And then we've got the Flexible Briefcase, which, as the name suggests, does just look like a briefcase when it is close up. It's got a nice metal outer and even got a carry handle. Open it up though, and as you can see, it basically just becomes one massive screen, almost the sort of size that you would have for your computer monitor at home. This is actually an 18-inch display, and from having a look at it here, it does look bright and vibrant, but of course it's also got this big bend in the middle. Now, Samsung hasn't really said exactly what this would be used for. Is this designed to be a laptop? Is it designed to be more of a portable display? Obviously, it's called briefcase, but you're not going to actually put anything inside this because, well, there isn't any space. It's just all screen. So again, not entirely sure who this is for or why you would want to use it, but it's definitely an interesting idea to see in person. Big waterfall on a big telly. Nice. And then we've got the stretchable display. Now, Samsung says stretchable. What it is much more of a bulge, because actually the screen pushes outwards. You can't really tell from the front, but if you get a side angle, you can actually see the pixels bending outwards. Again, what's the point? Don't really know, but it certainly looks quite fun in person. The light field display, meanwhile, actually just looks like a regular screen from a distance, but as you walk closer, the sensors will actually see that you're getting closer and it will switch to a 3D view. Now, I have actually given this a test when I stood in front of it, and it does work really well, and I can see it being quite cool, particularly if it's employed in certain 3D games, the sort of thing that we're seeing on screen here. I'm thinking maybe GTA 6, I'm thinking maybe Red Dead 3. Maybe it would be the sort of thing that will be built into the display of a gaming laptop, so that as you're sitting directly in front of it, that 3D effect can be activated when you want, and add just that little bit of immersion to video games. And then we've got the Flex Gaming. Now, on the surface, this basically looks like a Nintendo Switch that folds in half. And that's great because while the Nintendo Switch is a nice portable device, it can always be a bit more portable. The idea with this is that it's got joysticks on one side and then they've got matching holes on the other. So when you actually close it, the joystick can fit into the hole and it will actually fold completely flat. So it's super easy to then slide into a jeans pocket, into your jacket pocket, into your bag without damaging those joysticks. Now, unfortunately, I'm not allowed to touch any of these things, but this is the one that I want to touch the most because it really looks quite interesting. I really want to kind of feel how these different buttons would actually work when I'm playing games. Sadly, if I do, alarms will go off and people will swarm me and probably hurt me. I think of all the concepts that we've seen here today, this is the one that I would actually like to buy the most. But unfortunately, it is still just in the concept stage, so who knows? But of course, it's just the beginning of the show and we may well see a whole lot more yet. So do make sure to keep your eye on CNET. And of course, if you found these exciting, then do please make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below and check out the video description for a lot more information.